Good morning, class. Welcome to Vishnu Bhagwan e-learning app. Now, today we're going to start exercise 2.4. But first, I explain you about the reciprocal of a fraction and division of fraction rule. Okay. So let's start. Class 7th, lesson 2, fraction. Okay. Now, reciprocal of fraction. Reciprocal of fraction. Reciprocal of fraction means, suppose if we take example, if we take one fractional number 2 upon 3. So reciprocal of fraction means the interchanging of numerator and the denominator. Means we replace the denominator by the numerator and replace the numerator by its denominator. Suppose here the fraction is 2 upon 3. So reciprocal of fraction 2 upon 3 is, it's become 3 by 2. Okay, here the question is 2 upon 3 and its reciprocal of fraction will become 3 by 2. Means you can get the reciprocal of any fraction by interchanging the numerator and the denominator. Clear? Now come to the write the definition. Reciprocal of fraction. Definition is reciprocal of fraction is obtained by interchanging the numerator and the denominator okay. So example is reciprocal of 7 upon 9 is 9 upon 7. Clear? Now second thing is division of fraction. Division of fraction हम कुछ भी नहीं करना है. Now if the question is 8 upon 9 divided by 5 upon 7. Clear? You have to divide this fractional number by 5 upon 7. Means this will become, this is your dividend and this number is yours divisor. So to divide this, what we have to do, we first write the dividend. Now this divide sign change into multiply sign. Okay, and the fraction of this number means divisor. The reciprocal of this fraction will become how much? Here in this place we write the reciprocal form of 5 upon 7. So we write here the reciprocal form of 5 upon 7. So here the reciprocal form of this is 7 upon 5. Now it's become the same which you have to do in exercise 2.3. Here there is no cancellation is possible, so we simply multiply the numerator and the denominator. It comes 56 upon 45. Clear? Now you see some more questions. We do some more questions from the exercise. Question 1 is exercise 2.4. Question number 1. Find the reciprocal of each of the following. Here the following fractional number is given you. You have to find the reciprocal form. So the ratio fractional number is 5/9. So what's the reciprocal form? Reciprocal of 5/9 is 9/5. Clear? See question number 2. Find first one. 5 whole 5/6 divided by 3 whole 1/2. So for this, first of all we have to change the mixed form in improper fractional form. 6 5 is 30, 30 plus 5, 35/6, divided sign, 3 2 is 6 plus 1, 7/2. Now in the second step you write first dividend part, 35/6. This sign division sign change into multiply sign, and here the reciprocal of the divisor is 2/7. Now you have to check that whether their cancellation is possible or not. So here 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 7 1s are 7, 7 5s are 35. So 5 1s are 5 and 5 3s are 3 1s are 3. Change it in mixed form. Clear? Now see question number 3, second part. 2 whole 1/7 divided by 15/25 divided by 4 divided by 2/5. Now here in the question bracket is used. So first of all you have to solve each of the bracket. First solve this one and this one also. So it becomes 7 to the 14 plus 1, 15/7, 15/25. Here now in the second part use the multiplication sign, and the reciprocal of 15/25 is 25/15. 4 into 5/2. Now 15/7 into 25/15 divided by 4 into 5/2. So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 15 1s are 15 cancel. So here comes 25/7 divided by 2 5s are 10. 25/7. Now if we assume here that the denominator is 1, then the reciprocal of 10/1 will be 1/10. So 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. So 5/14 is your answer. Clear? Now see question number 6. Cost of 5 whole 1/4 kg of apples is rupees 210. Find the cost of 1 kg of apple. So cost of 5 whole 1/4 kg apple is how much? Is rupees 210. This is the cost of 5 whole 1/4 kg. To find the cost of to find the cost of 1 kg apple, we divide the amount 210 by the weight, total weight. Total weight is 5 whole 1/4 kg. So divide it, 210 divided by, change it in improper form, it comes 21/4. Now 210 upon 1 into the reciprocal form of 4/21. So 21s are 21, 21 tens are 210. So it comes rupees 40. Means cost of 1 kg apple is how much? 40 rupees. Okay. Now your homework is, class, do question number 4 all parts, means both first and second, in your CW copy of exercise 2.4. okay, and you have to note down this all. Okay, question number 1, question number 2, question number 3, and question number 6, and question number 4 is your homework. Clear? You can take the screenshot. Thank you, class.